Mainly gray on Thursday with rain showers. Good Wednesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see the Ultimate Doppler radar is dry now, but that was not the case earlier today. The Ultimate Doppler radar presented by Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953. They've been doing it for 70 years with 5 convenient locations now. You can get your oil changed, you can change your tires, you can actually get your brakes fixed as well. Actual rainfall, but most of it was south of the Interstate 40, as was expected. 0.13 officially at McGee-Tyson. About a half-inch fell around Tellico Plains today. You look at the bigger picture, one thing you'll note that most of the rain has been focused in southern, I'd say northern parts of Alabama and into northern Mississippi, and there are still some opportunities, about a 30% chance we get some rain tonight, even while you sleep. The clouds are a bit thinner up toward Middlesboro, Jonesville, and Oneida, but they've been pretty much consistent here across much of the valley. Our high temperature today was pretty anemic, 59 degrees. That came at 6:50 p.m. We hit 59 in Knoxville, 64 in Oak Ridge, so a 5-degree difference simply because of where that rain was placed. But again, a variable, yes indeedy. 68 was the high in Middlesboro, 66 La Follette. They hit 65 in Jamestown, but only 59 in Newport and Sevierville, just to give you a sample of how different temperatures were today. Obviously, all of them below normal, but obviously 50s. A very cool outlook, no doubt. Asheville around the Biltmore didn't get above 55 today, while it was 72 in Nashville and Jackson. Now, the temperature outlook will remain cooler than average based on this map from NOAA. They're expecting, again, below normal temperatures. It's what I've been sharing with my premium members for weeks, that we had that potential. There's even another chance for more frost going into the first week of May, especially for the Smokies, where they too could get some snowflakes. It can't be ruled out. I know it's hard to imagine. Future rainfall, though, going to go right through the rest of tonight into tomorrow. Now, it won't be confined to just south of Interstate 40 tomorrow or Friday. It'll be anywhere these showers decide to take up residence, but you can see maybe over an inch around Oak Ridge, La Follette. About 3/4 of an inch in Middlesboro projected, and about 0.68 Knoxville. So some may get a lot, some may get very little over the next 24 to 36 hours, maybe even 48 hours, because I think most of this will be winding down on Friday evening, but the best chance of rain will come Thursday night. Here are your headlines. Showers Thursday and Friday. Rumbles of thunder Thursday night. That's our best chance for some rain. And then 70s return, he says, on Friday and Saturday. Now, I don't mean like 70s like Bee Gees, Welcome Back Kotter, and Good Times. Although it is good times when we're in the 70s. But I do expect it to be fleeting. I mean, 2 days in the 70s, then it gets colder once thereafter. Storm energy, lots of storm fuel, rocket fuel, moving across parts of the Lone Star State tonight. They will have severe weather threats there. Then the energy that you see in red begins to fire up across the Gulf of Mexico, and the yellow areas would be weak storm energy, but enough to produce some thunderstorms. So no doubt, warm front moves to the north and east of us, and we'll see some opportunities for thunder, I think, Thursday night, Friday morning. And then once this front gets a little bit further east, then by the time 9 o'clock Friday rolls around, our threat for thunder disappears, and we'll see quieter weather heading into much of the weekend. Here's the Storm Prediction Center for the next couple of days, a couple of areas. Really, tonight, this was today and tonight, south of Dallas, numerous severe storms. And also, they added some orange areas in Florida. There could also be numerous severe storms there. So 2 areas tonight to be watching for the possibility of tornadoes. There's a yellow area south of Dallas. It would suggest a 10% chance, which is considerably high. When the Storm Prediction Center issues a risk like that for tornadoes, it usually means there's a pretty good chance that some could find that type of tornadic activity. Now, moving into Thursday tomorrow, Memphis has been added under the marginal risk for isolated severe storms, as has Jackson, but the bulk of the storms will be in yellow down across Destin and New Orleans heading into Thursday. Thursday has its share of tornadoes, 5% chance in brown, 2% chance in green. That includes Memphis and includes parts of the panhandle of Florida as well. So that's what Friday looks like. It now moves back into Texas. We've got some isolated severe storms in dark green in the Carolinas, and so it goes. So it all kind of dances around us, but we're not getting the worst of it, relatively speaking. Futurecast, a little trough to our north, slides into North Carolina tonight. May see another spot of rain or two going into the overnight, but then once this warm front gets a little bit closer, gets a little soggier, especially Thursday afternoon, that lifts to the north and east. We still have some showers Thursday night, and then once this begins to move to the east, the threat for thunder will disappear rather quickly. As you can see, it dances around East Tennessee for a little while longer, and then we see some improvement, yay, on Saturday. If we have any rain Saturday, maybe some spotty rain in the Smokies. So here's the Valley Planner for the next 12 hours. Down in the upper 40s, average low is about 51. Tonight, we're down to about 48 degrees, plenty of clouds. Left a 30% chance for some showers. Winds variable to the northeast, about 0 to 5 miles per hour. Tonight, down to 47 for Morristown. Newport, 45 for La Follette. Tomorrow, I'm anticipating a high about 65. Mainly gray skies. Showers are likely, and winds about 3 to 8 miles per hour. Can't rule out some sunshine, but most of us are going to notice the clouds to be kind of hanging on for much of the day. 69 for Greenville tomorrow. 71 for Tellico Plains, 64 for Oneida, and only 60 for Wartburg. So you're going to find some variability, again, for high temperatures on your Thursday. Let me get you to the forecast. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville, East Tennessee. 65 for tomorrow, about 73 for Friday, a 60% chance. I've left the 80% there in the middle just to indicate that this will be pushing through at its peak Thursday night. Then we're into the upper 60s on Sunday, and dare I say we clear out Sunday night, and we could be in the upper 30s in Oneida, in Jamestown, and La Follette. I have us around 40 in Knoxville on Monday morning. 64 on Tuesday, 65 on Wednesday. So up and down we go. It's no question an up and down forecast. Well, don't forget, you can download the free Captain Accurate weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free. Just search the two words Captain Accurate, the App Store and Google Play. It's very easy, and it also works conveniently on your iPad. So if you have an iPad, download the free Captain Accurate weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. Well, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.